Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is the second part of what we are doing with OpenAI web page. Okay, we are copying the entire land page. Okay, so here we got, for example, um, if we want to go to the OpenAI land page, okay, we have it here. So in the past video, we did what we did is basically do the style guide to really do this project like really fast. Okay, so we have here like the fonts that we are going to use, and the font that we chose for this purpose is Montserrat 400. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, 400. Okay, and we are so for the first page, what we are gonna do is just first you wanna do is copy this, embed HTML. Okay, this HTML we're gonna be in the description of this video. Okay, so what you want to do is just copy it and paste it like, I mean, if you want to create a component with this HTML embed, you can. Okay, you can, for example, do like embed let me see, embed HTML style, for example. So we create it and then we just go to other page. Let me see, for example, this is like the home. Okay, so we're gonna just establish like it's the home page. So which is created, and then we establish that this page are gonna be the home of all the web page. So it's like the index HTML. So when we do that, we just put the embed HTML, and then we first we want to do is to understand what is the structure of this land page. So if we understand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got like 10 wrappers. Okay, so if you want to divide that in, for example, 3 or 5 sections, it's all on your control. So first you want to do is to put a class for the body. Okay, and that is for just like a formal question. So then we want to put a 5 divs, okay, inside the body. Okay, so for each div we want to, I'm sorry, we are going to use 10 divs. Okay, so we just put this like another div, another. So we have here 3, 6, 9, and another more. So there we have all our wrappers. So this first we're gonna have, it will be like the hero wrapper. Okay, so we're going to use the theme suite suggestions for client first class naming of all the classes that we are going to use. Okay, so for that purposes, what we want to to use is first don't use any capitalized or high case um, letter because if you use any high case in your classes when you publish the site and when you export the site, like the navigator automatically convert that high case to a lower case. Okay, the same for the spaces. Navigator, the Google navigation, just convert that into a dash. Okay, so what you want to do is to use that, and then you want to put like what does like what is the name of that wrapper. For example, in this case, this is a hero, and then this is like an information, um or like just like a try it out, so it's like a call to action. Then this is like the update, the latest things, and so it's like the latest features. So what we want to do is first to put like the hero wrapper, you know. Then the second we're gonna have, it will be like this part. It's a container. Okay, it's not a hero wrapper. Like the hero wrapper is all that is, I mean, it's the video. Okay, that it has a height of 100 bh, but that doesn't mean that this is only the hero. Okay, so this we're call it the hero 2. Okay, so we have the hero wrapper, then for example the call to action and the features. So we have then call to action, for example, wrapper. Then we have here like the filters wrapper. So we're gonna first do this three. Okay, so this, like these classes are just purely like for an informative thing. Okay, it's just like a formal thing that they are like for 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 his for himself. This class hero wrapper doesn't have any like any property for styling. Okay, so it's important understand that, because what we are going to use for a stylist purpose, stylist like styling, this all these containers and wrappers are gonna be our style guide. Okay, so in this first part, we're going just name this for like informative purposes for each client uh, or each user that it's like is inspecting the page or just is developing this, understands how it's built and where it's each div or each heading. So if he just want to edit something, he don't have much waste much time um, finding that. So what we are going to use is first, for example, how much weight we want that div completely, or like how much of that wrapper we want that uh, have like information. So in this case, the information is in like in this part, like uh, I mean, if we inspect this and we do a responsive like think you understand that this is not like a container that has, for example, 40% of width of the total wrapper, because if we shrink this display and the size of the display, you understand that the screen like is the weight, the complete weight. So this like what this means is like it's just a auto, like a auto weight. Okay, so if we put here just a div, or just, for example, not a div, but for example, we want here a hidden node, and that hidden width will gonna be like is dash display. So it will be a display. So the hero wrapper we're gonna have like is black, for example, and the black that will be it is, for example, 150. So in that case, well, if you want to just do the color of the body like is black 150, like the body, you can do it. Just put it like right that. So when you have that, you just want to put like more stylish things. So for example, in this case, what we want to understand is just like there is a video. So what we want to have, it's another div. It will gonna be like the background video, and that background video just you can put it like an embed HTML for purpose. And honestly, if you want to do it, just do it, because Webflow doesn't support like this video too much. I mean, there are a lot of problems with it. So what we are going to use in this case is like the background video, and um, you just have to upload a video, and I mean the video has to be smaller than 30 megabytes. So for example, if um we download this video, let me see. Yeah, I mean, probably these are gonna be much like much oh no, it has 9 megabytes. So awesome. So we're going to use that in this background video. So if we just open that, we can d like play that in a loop mode, and in a autoplay video. So that will gonna be relative, and for example, you want to that informations go below of any letter or any button. Do you understand? So for example, if the normal set index that you have in any div, it's the zero index, you want that this div will going to have, for example, um, let me see, this we're gonna be relative and have a -1 set index. So you have this background video with a 0 set index, okay? And also you want to have like a background wrapper, so you have like the background and wrapper for example, and you want that like is black 100 150, and that it will gonna have, for example, opacity. So just want that to be like in that color. So that is, so if you just put this like, for example, in relative and like in, for example, one set index, if you watch this, you want that background wrapper goes like in front of the video but below of the information. So you want that video goes automatically in absolute, okay, and background goes to absolute too. So the background video goes in a relative position. Okay, so that's it. If you want just to watch the video, you can watch it like so yeah, that is the first part of like what we are going to do in this situation. So this is the second video of this series, copying the OpenAI website. So if you like it, and um, I I did a value to you, just comment below. But if I didn't get anything valuable to you, it's understandable. Understandable because I don't speak English well, and I am not an expert in Webflow, but I can help you if you want. We can talk in Discord, and if you have a doubt, I just can check it out with you. Okay, so I do know, like what a junior in Webflow knows. So I know I covered like the like a lot of things in Webflow, and I do know a lot, but I'm not an expert. So if you have doubts, just comment below, and uh, like if we speak in Discord, I maybe can help you. So that is for today. I'm gonna be the third part, like maybe tomorrow. So just you can maybe see it in another video that it's already uploaded. So that's it. Bye.